Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss 4 important messages that every parent of a newly born baby must have before they get discharged from the hospital. The first message is about breastfeeding. Every mother and in fact both parents must be told about the importance of breastfeeding, how long one should have exclusive breastfeeding, which is usually until 6 months, and continued breastfeeding until 2 years, and some steps for ensuring that the baby is positioned and attached to the breast optimally in order to ensure that both mother and baby do not have challenges during breastfeeding. Second important precaution is about early identification of neonatal danger signs. When does one identify that the baby is not well? Some important danger signs include the baby being excessively lethargic, not moving unless when the baby is stimulated, high fever or low temperature, that is temperature more than 37.5 degrees Celsius or below 36.5 degrees Celsius, baby having breathing difficulty, fast breathing defined as more than 60 breaths per minute, and the baby persistently refusing to feed for a duration more than 4 to 5 hours. This is important so that parents can identify deviations from normalcy and seek appropriate medical attention. And it's also important because one should not be carried away by non-specific signs which can actually be normal in a newborn baby. The third important precaution is to remember safe sleep practices. So it's important that every baby has the back to sleep. This is what's called as the back to sleep campaign, and at least for young infants less than 3 months who have not yet started rolling over on their own, do not let them sleep on their tummy because this is found to increase the risk of accidental suffocation and sudden infant death syndrome or SIDS. Lastly, it is also important to educate every parent about hygiene. So wash your hands before touching your newborn baby because they are at high risk of infections and their immune systems are still weak, and avoid crowding, avoid exposing the baby to too many visitors who may be silent reservoirs of some viral infections, flus, colds and coughs. All the best.